Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Quaint. Today's topic of discussion is image-based terminal guidance. This technique is needed for missiles. You know, speed range of missiles, it varies from Mach 5 to Mach 20, where Mach 1 is equal to 1235 km per hour. Therefore, Mach 5 to Mach 20, that means it is almost 6000 km per hour to 25,000 km per hour. So this is the speed range of missile. And when missiles are used, means when missiles fly in the sky or fly in the air, in that case it is continuously guided by some external devices like a GPS communication system is there or radar is there, means some external guidance system must be there. Because from the launch station of the missile up to the target zone, maybe there is a distance of thousands of kilometers. So length of the path traveled by the missiles is so vast. So in that case, continuous guidance system means guidance system must be there and it should guide the missile continuously. Now imagine a situation when the missile reaches almost to the target zone, not exactly to the target zone. When the missile reaches almost to the target zone, in that case, you just imagine GPS system is not working, GPS system is jammed, radar isn't working, means there is no external guidance system available at that moment to guide the missile. So, what is the requirement at that moment? Some other technique is required, and that technique is known as image-based terminal guidance. That technique is known as this way. Anyway, the final moments of the final seconds or final moments of the missiles are known as means those are actually very critical phase. Okay, final phase is the critical phase, and that is known as if you study missile technology, then you can see that is known as terminal phase. And even a minor mistake can miss the target. Okay, even a minor mistake can miss the target, because actually you just think about speeds. At such drastic speeds, 6000 km per hour to 25,000 km per hour, that is the speed range. So at that speed, if some minor mistake occurs, in that case there is a great chance that you will miss the target, means missiles would miss the target. Anyway, so there are actually so many techniques available to guide the missile at such a point or at such a case. Okay, means at such a point or in such a case. Anyway, so we are talking about what? We are talking about that image-based terminal guidance. So what is done actually? Missile is fed the images, one or more images of the target zone. Means before launch this is done. Before launch of the missiles, this is done. Missile is fed in one or more images of the target zone, often from satellites or drones. Then when the missile nears the target zone, means when the missile reaches near the target zone, in that case cameras are there. Okay, camera means the missiles are equipped with cameras. So cameras are activated and those cameras start scanning the terrain below. That was the second point. Third point, then processors are there. Okay, inbuilt processors are there. So those processors actually match the live visuals. Okay, or better to say, those processors compare live visuals to the stored images. And if there is a mismatch, then the missile adjusts its path. Means course correction is done. If the missile or the cameras of the missile finds a mismatch. So in short, stored images are there. It's like human being. Means just you compare, you see a photo and you see the visual and you are trying to mismatch. Means you are actually using your brain to compare between a photo and the visual. Whatever you see, whatever is there in front of your eyes, you are trying to match that scene with something existing in a photo. So same thing is done here but with the help of onboard cameras and computers. Okay, same thing is done here also. And already Israel and US are using this technology in their missiles. Israel and US. Okay. Maybe other countries are also there, I don't know. Okay, these two countries are using this technology. So what? And one more thing, means this is in research level, still in research level, they are trying to, means scientists are trying to integrate AI with this technology. So in that case, what will be the benefit? Means in that case, decision making will be possible. Mid-flight decision making could become possible with the integration of AI with this existing technology. Okay, mid-flight decision making, even if the moving targets are there. In that case also, AI, you know, AI is available. AI is able to do all these things. Again, AI is also able to differentiate between decoys and the real threats. So that these are the things future scientists are exploring for improving the existing technology. Okay. But till now, computers, onboard computers and cameras are being used to find the target. Okay. Anyway, so this was all about today's topic, and this is the end of this video. If you found this video interesting, so please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Anyway, this is the end. Thanks for watching.